Malung total Mr. Talam, sumul total morarogul listeners, mar viewers sa tel station. So la ko tululen meda urang asulat Dios el grel tara malung ilsil sil kuplal biskit al salak lang argit. Ay gel bekal tokol niya malmol mulo makantangat argit el girel, magada malung tangat emre ngar omre ng saul girel. Agi lutal mga kama Vice Chairman Wayne Andrew, nga Vice Chairman PTA. So la di soma mga tulgi belte al kuk mo mrenga sulir adra blue atiri khal tial station ra ngesul gamul mol mulo maskamam ngirel tial fundraising rasku carnival atiri khal moral listeners mar viewers tial station eto guni mor tirgel tokol adal tiram lam ara tiget ma alam moldon mol mol dar sa sign amina ngesul mirkamam ra school ma girel tial preparation girel la carnival agi mral di mrenga saw le solaya ura gi mol mol me adire galungil ta al bay kora mo recognize sador tirgel baby are major sponsors tiram la sa baby mal muklol ngesol me mangarnya Palau Community College dire ngarnya Koror State Government Koror State Legislature Direkal nga rin ang irasibong Lakyus Malsol. Madirekal tao, George Uur. Dirigay kita bebira kural, mat kang clear elang sa doon nga direkal malputokar. Aradal malmol dar sa amin, sulmir kamam. Direkal ko, kiyutial teale, kurang asulit direkal parents, mar. Legislators, raigal hangar oror, malmol nga sa mutmokurakuran. El alsil se direk lukuk ngaring arbigel ngaramay tira melngaseul clear kurandra maristela sel kurandra mission bagi mrading artial dingar omreng sau le kuk albornga tele la Mr. Andrew elmo sira bebira igel kuk developmental men mutrelang potong tungel beklade do los o lasmal el direk el motmokor gel girel el almel sabadong el November 6 segit sel morning carnival hindi mo rin sa Catholic Mission Ballfield ng Arbitar Iglesia. So lang magimal di mulmol mga madara beklaad, especially parents. Raigal bekal school, ngititira ng ligyun me, bol sabihin mo ka ng narangaged, el enjoy, el kuktada kal enjoy sa talsils, el kuktada sa sesel ngesol mura school. Tingul mo rin sa el mutol mal dimre nga saula. Kung ngitira Mr. Andrew, mulkulbol biskira bebira progress edol mol bra program. Sula.
Sulang principal malungil total merkaw sa doy ka adra station merkaw tira malungil total mara regular belaw loreng sertial program relal tutaw kada marmara we're coming to the shallow di medela a few more days kada mo tiale carnival Sado soal dio aisul wase gimral excited arangal ga mal excited our parents are mal excited recently we held mlarnya PTA ra school and our parents are mal excited ra till upcoming carnival ku aisul wase ngarnya beklada diragal matangel wase gida malmol COVID free ndi with that in mind kada diragal a school Swalmrut Tel Carnival with all the safety and precautionary measures in place mangsokal wase principal sa last meeting gida kada we agreed wase mornya a security gitial mlangwa commitment ra Ministry of Justice el mo olng sergi ra rolela traffic sel entrance ra sel field morngi sel tentora security el tira lilo mesra ngalge make sure a safety ra the whole day will be good osisul time kadam le askal ministry wasel sebela ambulance el ngara site we have the ambulance on site in case in the event ng or emergency we have safety kit malubang rangklel sa sebedal transport or adults kumung tokora di in the meantime di waisul wase committee ra fundraising ra school amlangwa safety as a priority so agel rogul buda morngia sanitizing station morngia water station Agil domdas wase malmobring lasil se ngaring aral milsbel available marangal ka amili enjoy the day with lots of hydration. Segi di atara malklol priority ra committee wase we want to have strong safety measures in place. Our family selme feel assured wase our whole program ngaring safety ngi obangel se principal kada dirul wase tara mo malmoklo tutel segi del silsa tianga jakal dil tora fundraising. We want to make it the best, the most fun carnival ever. So with that in mind, the Agimal, encourage Rarogul parents and their children. May Maristela is gonna give you the best carnival. It's not just a carnival. Hey, it's the best carnival. So don't miss it before the end of the year. Haledi Guaysa, Igal Bebira, I already planned the events for the kids to participate in. Of course, ngarangi Silklol water slide. I give last take out ringi yesterday, mama our other Milianis. So we know was it can be our parents sabil feel was tianga kalil koradiakal safe. Rest assured ngarangi our maklol ad and professional security will be there to make sure it's a beautiful day. So if you want your child to enjoy the water slide, please come to the carnival. Egel Budra Rangal School, first graders, Batoka Outrulir. They will be selling banana fruits, pocky, popcorn, mungur, bekpadangel ailum. Direct second graders, Dimertira Lego. They have a Lego station, so kids can come and play Lego and take whatever they want to take with them home. They have face painting, ngaring photo booth, tadirigal trawa shaved ice, gukaw, mungur, 7th graders, dimertira, sorira, volleyball. So they will have games like Spike It Challenge. Dirigal mal, it's good for older kids. Ngaring trulil barbecue plate. Sis kebab, rice krispies treats, check mix, bek padengel otrulir, mal bek padengel. Second graders, tirigay moretche sadoile tirigay mo ongrar sel blakalbus. They will be in charge of the prison. So behave when you come to the carnival. If you are not behaved well, they plan to put you in jail. So make sure rangal ka behave when they come to the carnival. Second graders, they will be coming up with a list very soon. Fifth graders, sell ring toss, ball dart, baseball and football throw, spin the wheel contest. They will also have a photo booth. Otrulira Japanese bento. Wow, okay. Japanese bento with lemonade and lots of baked goods. Third graders, dirigalo balloon dart, basketball hoop, game of chance, and then of course they also have a lot of other food, loltrao, laulau, with taro, cotton candy, snow cone, toltrao adamok, ngil, mungur, lots of other drinks as well. Sixth graders, balloon dart, can knock down, usukola otcharay. Otcharay, I haven't heard otcharay game in years, principal. Otcharay. And of course, 8th graders, dirikal nga rin otcharay, dart, and a basket, ultra barbecue plate as well. So, as you can see, mal exciting, there's gonna be lots of food, lots of fun games. Magdamaral, encourage our families to say, come out on Saturday. It's gonna be a beautiful day. they enjoy our day with our children and also our family. So, tik mo gigi the principal and then I know was tabto ka amlam ara tiget aktil mo til encourage ra alumni ra school ra Maristela. If you are an alumni, I know you have it in your heart to, give back to the school. I really encourage you to come out and give something back, help the next generation. Tira Ospera School, as an opportunity to fulfill their dreams in education. Thank you, Principal.
Saule, Mr. Andrew, mula sa PM ko sidap tokol detail. Kardiyo yang sering diri kalmal mo excited. Makdiri kalmal ngarti nga mal extend ra invitation ng mortirger rogul principal sa igat school belaw rogir. Wara tiga tarar ngalgiw miti tiril membol ka or ngigid ma tirmar ngalged ra ma stella school to celebrate el beklaan. So lak tiga tarar gilte al sala tarrak el sabed el guk motma al maristela school mo joiner ngalgiw. Makdiri kalmal ngarti amre ngasulir al beklaan mlumol invite ra beklaan la sendem el gu telar club say. Por sabihin sangidil sensei kom kolar school tara parent tara school mga tigat kami maldi mdel ko ede ngawal club sa mo so iso present silsra carnival again. It's November 6 el al sabado ngol di morning Catholic Mission Ball Field mendige gide Mr. Talam sa kung klokora nga rigagere
sula principal kama awen ut mga radlo rin sa tal el program Gerelti al Carnival en Mornire al Sarude esoril plates malubeta donate el ngasira school ngwang ralo mo kato ngra contact numbers mga ratitile
sabi lo mo kato nga school in Mirada yung wal 488 to 285 sa yung wal office malubin sa building sa Tartargel parents ra school ngidil sensei walibo ko mom kodong mer office walubin sa dire ko kodong ra Mr. Wayne Andrew era deng warngi
775-1969.
okay adeng warnga ka 775-1524 malngari ang idil kay ang corazon gulo dar sang idil ngarang ebo mimo kon sa udyom kodong me
sebedung kalkola
kalboy
ke malungit to takoler ngra
Ultu tau, amisulang ati alle, udre Salvador, ultu tale wala principal ma, Mr. Wayne Andrew. Akmlakot maklang ma family nga leko rasbado, malungil. Then tiagit, nga kahis marsol ermut mo leitor abroid til almaristela, nga kaalum na tilang. Tilaan guram tagi munispe eringi tagi mikegrelo yakyu merkom subul momtulo yakyu subul momtulo remorte merdagekle makara oy mang direkl apo kaltanga tamba boksis mo lecture ID tilabo partner ang sinaranga kalmo ulab gimo malamringi mga tmokringi mainteneringi rabekl bol mendial lutul tuba uzrigin mo makamal til al school nga al serablo ID mingirela mong patra auror ma umat maklel dal dito ngot mokrara ay dit matil amang de mat mokringi o si time number 2 en atigeta agulawat tablol buks ringi makmla otraw merko sakal mutul ngwa imo mo otraw len sakal ol ngsew sakal ol ngsew len school del beklar ito ka alumni nga alumni ringi mo mosel mulu ringi principal alumni ang kudukti lo ringi school mugukto do muklung alar mugukto todo gukto bulto dol maseul mora gel kurwa balsabe komam surate alle emsulang masabado
mal musaula Mr. Malsol mal tara mal supportive parent magi mal diri kal mga artia mal mereng asulel
Momurate la clock tel carnival
10:04.
se ngara ngomura 10 AM mo mrugul ngira 4 PM kita malas mula sing baldi mo ewaklo kay osmria program leng ngaria diri kal ngaria service ngaria misang sel kop sengay mong adamre edel medesya kuran de buk ma pa begay tra parking ma alara misang mo take place at elol mo clock ka a distraction
I say.
Sulang principal gagda regular wise nga motel pala wave amo live broadcaster ngi lolgong mo bangela siwala la rin sa live broadcast ma sabi usagi del silsil ngani targa nebel evolar sabi may kom de oren seni sabi ul direct el plate se donate sa del silsum and dal sabi garni mo mo misatial el carnival en sabi ul de oren seni ra mga rablimi, mga ramlay, mga rapar, mga tabtab, en sabi ul dir meng sa iseltiang, sabi ul am gadong. So mo kurangan ni arang miul malat kara ngalgay nga Maristela School. So mga di ako ran muteng ngoten sa miu principal nga mawen en sabi ul special time.
Lastly, principal and dimle swakal mral to yung direkal swakal ngutial te ale mal mrenga sulela a station ra Mr. Talams el tira mlakongel me mo live virtual event rigid agel previous live stream malubang live broadcast actually mle generate al mutual clone donation or segidel sales mang beforehand tiom to era kami tiel mutual dimrenga sulem ra a donation raw. I know you're an alumni, so ngaring is your heart and the spirit. Makdin mo talmreng asulem Mr. Talams ra donation raw sales. We will need it. We want to make a shout out to Trigel Rogul may donate, Mamla donate, and I know it's a good way of also connecting with Trigel Kuk ngara outsider Belao to build tune in Korengs. Thank you.
Talway sulang Mr. Andrew, direkal man sulang Mr. Talam sa Macreg, a station raul man mulmol mulong sura skura Maristela, may gelbek al banglam al gibam mo spare ka qablo di willing lo mo ng sir kuma. Agi malu forward mo sa kumur al sabado, direkal mal lo ng trarbek la lo sa moita al sungmu. So labon so ulmem de pek la al maral lo de armu de estrella ang lege de direkal ng sura school. Ang since ang lako natin kaya ngot malgi mo wise di kaso sa sel sa badong sales aro bakal dia solo mo kal tanga tarar bekla ma bekal family sa rabulur belaw rogit o mal sulang al Maristela School.
Thank you.